Hi guys, today I'm so happy to have you today. Once again, I'm bringing you lesson sound 21, and this lesson sound 21 is about how to pronounce these two letters here, EU, the EU there. How do you pronounce the EU? Let's go and see. So, the EU sound is like the sound in English, as in but it's a bit more rounded and fronted in the mouth. You hear something like that. Check the IP here. Remember the International Phonetics alphabet there. So something, check the words which are there, like the example of words like per. Check this. This is per. Phonetically, it's written like this, but don't worry about that. I want to make it somehow so simple for beginners, the guys who are the learners who are starting to learn this language. Just say per. Neuf. Check this one. This consonant here is pronounced. These are some of the rare cases we do have in French. We will not say ne, no, just say neuf. The F, you can see, is pronounced there. Feu, you don't say feu, but feu. You can see even phonetically somehow it changes a little bit because the feu does not have a consonant or something after the U there. So just talk like feu. Then jeune, you just prolong it a little bit there. Jeune. So, peu, neuf, feu, jeune. Let's see some sentences to practice this. Check this, come with me. Je peux des araignées. Je peux des araignées. I'm afraid of spiders, guys, you know. Il est 9 heures. You see the F there, we do some liaison and then we will not hear the F. The F now becomes like V. Il est 9 heures. Il est 9 heures. It's 9 o'clock. L'heure est tard. L'heure est tard. The time is late. Le feu est éteint. You have a liaison here. Sometimes say le feu est éteint. Le feu est éteint. So le feu est éteint. We talked about the I-E-I-N, which is A. Éteint. Elle est jeune et dynamique. Elle est jeune et dynamique. She's young and dynamic. So le feu est éteint and the fire is out. Check if I can bring zoom a little bit so that you can see everything there. Si je peux des araignées, il est 9 heures, l'heure est tard, le feu est éteint, elle est jeune et dynamique. Thank you guys. I'll be bringing you lesson sound 22 very soon. May God bless you. Thank you. Bye bye.